Hey, it's Ed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for SP500 with Elliott Wave Theory. A couple of advertisements here at the start. I finally completed the Elliott Wave and RSI Advanced course, so if you want to master the RSI and want to learn how it can be utilized properly with Elliott Wave Theory, check out the course on Udemy. I've also founded Counter Trend Capital with these guys over here, so if you are looking for signal service and more education, check us out here on countertrendcapital.com. And lastly, if you want to educate yourself and support me, you can take a look at Patreon, where you can find Elliott Wave Basics course, access to weekly live streams and extra content overall. Thank you for your support. Let's get into the charts next. So here we are on 1 hour time frame, and today we're going to be focusing again on this local structure as it has not been finished as of yet. Again, let's start with the bull count that we've been dealing with. In this one, again, we had this as coming down in 3 waves, hitting the 1-to-1 extension here and giving us potential trend change. Since then, again, we were talking about this possibility of having an expanding leading diagonal in here into a wave A or wave 1, while the SPX or the cash marker had a contracting leading diagonal. Now, again, there's a difference between these two diagonals, but again, I'm not going to go over into that in this video. But again, both of them are a multi-way structure. Now, in this one, again, we had the chance of going long after we had this coming in three ways down into these lows, 3 ways up and then 3 ways down. And again, we just slightly missed the golden pocket here, after which again we started to climb. This was very overlapping structures, so the only one, if we want to be having this as a multi-way structure, we would have to have it as a contracting leading diagonal, I feel like. So that would be that. Then we would have another 3-way structure in here, having this as a potential low as well for a wave 2. This came down to the 50% retracement here, as we see, and then took off during the night. And night for me at least. There is a chance that we are going to be now creating this 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into these highs. Again, it can be, of course, this wave A as well, and then we would be turning more bearish. Again, overall, bullish would be around the 1.618. At which again we would be starting to prefer the third wave here instead of a C wave. But until that point, we can be more conservative and just look at the wave C targets. Now overall, there is a chance that we are going to be getting another low here, and again another buying opportunity in case this just flies off. But that is the bullish scenario. Again, we had 2 different buying opportunities already here, these 2, and potentially having one more. We'll see how that goes. But again, if you want to be bullish, it is starting to become quite too late, or it is going to be quite too late if we are going to be letting this one go, if this even comes down at all. Now, that is the bullish scenario. If we take out these lows, or starting with these lows here, 39.82, we can be still thinking more bullish until again these lows are taken, 39, 36 or 37 area there. There is of course a chance that we are just going to be doing this for a wave 2, where these are going to be shifted over here. But I do like the overall structure that we have currently going for being motive as well. Now let's take a look at the bearish scenario, in which again we had this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, another 1, 2. Now starting again in validations, $4,075, this previous highs here are going to invalidate that this is going to be a wave 1. Now we have retraced quite a bit already with this wave 2 over here of this wave 1. So taking out these highs is going to be making it so weird looking. It's not going to be very decent anymore. And if we take out these highs around 41.20, it's going to be completely invalidated. Why? Is because again, if we are looking at the retracements here for the potential B wave, where this would be an A wave, B wave, we go well beyond the 1.618 here. So again, for that would be an invalidation for me. I don't really accept a structure that would be looking like this. To me, that does not make sense. But yeah, this would be the setup at the moment. We did take out these highs here, which is kind of weird. Originally, I wanted to already have this done, but there is of course a chance that we are just going to be creating something like this, a very deep retracement, we did hit the 618 here now, where we would be looking for a structure like this, and now we would be looking for continuation. So this would be a decent area to look for short setups against the highs here. Again, the risk to reward ratios are very nice. However, again, I do favor the bullish setups though, but for the hedge purposes, until this count is clarified, I would be potentially looking for short setups here. But yeah, those are the two structures that I'm actually watching currently. Again, nothing really is invalidated as of yet. Key areas for now are these lows around 39.37 and these highs here 4,074. So keep an eye on those, and then you know what structures are more likely to happen if you actually followed and understood what I was saying here. But yeah, I think that is going to do it for this video. Again, if you managed to get this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes and comments. If you're interested in learning more, there's a discount code Easter on my Discord for the Udemy course. Again, Patreon weekly live streams are happening on Thursdays, and again, the CTC trade signals and setups are going all the time. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.